YouTube, it's your boy Lucic Evans here with my niggas right here in the fucking hood.
You know?
Man, right now in the fucking hill and shit.
In this jungle shit.
Man, I just found a freaking hot dog, like the fuck.
What the fuck is up there?
Let me just go up there, no?
Do we go now?
Alright, you first.
Swipe me.
Cause you the whitest one. No, Rohan, you first.
You're the oldest. Shit.
I the second oldest right now, so yeah.
What means to be young?
Ah. Whoa.
Shit.
Shit deep. Yo, like, where the fuck are we, man? This shit just like strange.
That's normal. I just want to see if I find anybody else, yeah? Maybe this is where they grow food, like the plants. Or survival, because we call them bottles. You sure this is from survival? Or no.
That lock.
Yeah. So, you know, no one going in there.
Well, YouTube, I'm gonna make another video just now. Peace.